Welcome to Blender. Today we are going to learn to install Blender, and I'm just going to walk you through it real quick so you can get started on your learning path here. So I'm just going to open up my browser, and we're going to go to blender.org, and down here we're going to click the download Blender button, and we are going to download Blender 3.0. If you're using a different operating system, you can choose it from this list here. But the website automatically detects what browser or what operating system you have. So I'm just going to click Download Blender 3.0. And shortly that'll start up and it'll download here. And we'll give it a minute to download. Okay, once that's done downloading, you can just click on it and it will start the installer. And just click Next. You can accept your license and agreement. If you want to read through this, you can. And go ahead and click accept and click next, and then you can choose where you want to put it. I'm just going to leave it at the default here and click next, and you click again to install and it'll start its installation. And a window will pop up. Just click yes on that. Once your installation process is done, you can go ahead and click finish and close this out. Once it's done downloading, it is right here. You can right click it and pin it to the taskbar, and that's right there, and then you just click on it. Okay, once you have Blender installed and you open Blender, you'll get this splash screen. This splash screen is a one-time thing, so don't click off of here. You can choose whether you want English or any other language. Uh, Blender shortcuts for different versions if you're an older user, but you guys should be new, so we just want the regular Blender. We'll leave that the same. Blender used to be right-click. Now they have the option to make it right-click or left-click to select. We have spacebar for play the timeline or tools or search. I like to set it for tools, but if you, or for search, that way I can search by hitting the spacebar and I don't accidentally play animations that I don't have even in my scene by hitting the spacebar by accident. I don't need that stuff running while I'm working. You can also choose your theme, whether you want light or deep gray. There's different color schemes. I prefer the dark scheme. And once you're done with that, you can just click Save New Settings, and that'll change your screen to this. You have this pops up every time you open up Blender. You can choose from an old file over here. There's the manual, the Blender website, credits. You can open up a general scene or 2D animation, sculpting, VFX, video editing. Generally, we are going to just use general. When you click this, it'll put you a cube in here, and that gets you started with Blender. And that's your installation video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.